Chris heading out in his S15. So clean. Cabal's heading out in the NSX. Heading out. Okay. SVJ heading out. R32 GTR. Porsche GT3 RS backing up. No, not Nismo, but Alpha Tune GTR. So earlier, all the heavy hitters got a bunch of Lamborghini SVJs. Ooh.
One of them makes like small one, the dark one.
R35 GTR backing up. License plate 0 horsepower. This matte black wrap. You know, I just moved Jay's Civic Type R over here. Like I said, love the black, love the front end. Makes me miss my FG2. Rolling out in the DC5, so clean. FK8. Alright, so I think we're gonna leave the car meet right now, and some of the boys are actually gonna go grab some food, so let's go grab some food with them. We came to Pluckers for a little bite.
Don't get me wrong, I was raised in that era where it's funny and stuff.
That whole exchange being recorded.
So we just got bought in Pluckers. We're over here in the back of the parking lot, just doing a legal drug deal. Well, not drug deal, but well, you guys should have saw us.
Destroyed the box and everything.
Oh,
We had a
Ricardo.
frenzy buying these cars.
Ricardo bought. Oh, you can look at the interior, bro.
That's clean.
You can't open the door!
What are you saying?
I never said
I want
you
$20!
can.
No, $5 back.
I want the doors to open.
Wow.
Send me back 25.
This is dope, though. Plexiglass. You can see the dash. It goes up and down.
Damn.
Man, that doesn't even look like the real car.
Doors don't even open.
Wow.
What about the hood?
Nothing.
Get a receipt.
Showing the
you're
box.
screwed.
It doesn't have.
Tomica.
It's a good thing it was only $20.
Yeah, I wish.
Ricardo's about the GC8.
I want neons in the bottom too.
And let's see what Jay bought. Jay got the Honda's FD2 Type R and the NSX Type S. Honda NSX Type S, because, you know, from Japan. Alright, so doors open on the GR86 white box. Apparently on the black box, doors don't open.
$20.
Wow. So now Jay's pressured to open one of the
Struggling
boxes.
to open mine.
Bro,
to
the
see
value
if
goes
these
down
doors
the moment
open.
you open it.
Yeah, damn it.
Saw it in the clear.
There's no more dead stock.
Right off the lot. Value lost. Depreciation.
Depreciate it because no wrapping now.
The MF Ghost one of this.
Damn.
It has different wheels now.
Already unboxing the little Tomicas here. So the white box opened the doors. The regular one, Carlos not too happy about the GT car. And then right now Jay's unboxing the FD2 Type R. He unboxed the NSX Type S earlier.
Drum roll to see if the
Drum
doors
roll.
open.
Dude, the doors
Guarantee
open.
They do not. I bet you they
If
don't.
anybody collects these Tomicas, leave it in the comment section below. What kind of cars do doors open? Is it the white box, all of them open, or
Yeah.
I have no clue.
Yeah, I have a. They got white wheels and red interiors.
Dang.
Doors open though.
No, they do
No.
not. No shot. And I ain't got no mirrors.
Weight reduction.
Mirrors on
Weight
top.
Why do
reduction on the
JDM
Mugen.
cars have no side mirrors? I guess
Side mirrors is an aftermarket
Can I be
accessory.
happy?
I got cool headlights and tails,
If I
bro.
get doors open?
Oh,
Drum roll.
Did they open?
Nope.
No.
Oh, black box is a scam.
You got the gold
Wow.
wheels though.
but he's got-
Slow wheels.
You got, is that pearl in that paint? Damn.
I got the lucky one. My door's open.
$30.
I wonder if all the white ones with the doors open.
Should I open one?
Yeah,
You should. Let's do it.
Let's see. This is a white box. Let's see if the door's open. What do you guys think? Open?
This is a white box, but it's an initial D special edition.
Do you think it's gonna open?
I think it's gonna open.
Okay, open. What do you think?
Oh shit.
I don't know. We're about to find out.
You think it's gonna
He thinks
open?
it's gonna open.
I don't know.
Don't ask me. I want my $20.
Open?
I think it's gonna open.
Open?
Open.
Open?
Closed.
Close? Open?
Open.
I say open.
Right.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh,
And
this
the
headlights
drum
are
roll
off too.
is, I tell you all, I know the answer already.
Open, I can see it.
Like they open.
Yeah, the door's open.
You just gotta get that vape
Yeah,
out of
there's
here.
no windows.
Oh.
Welcome to the tofu shop.
Dang.
So about the white ones.
White box. Now we
Wow,
know.
so white box so far.
Do the headlights pop up and down?
White
No.
box cookies,
No,
though.
that was asking too much.
Well, we wanted to stay up anyway, stay open anyway. Wait, one side has no tofu. Just on the other side.
Is
doors are
it
big.
in both sides on the series?
I have no clue.
That's what I don't know either.
Do we
Dang.
have a knife?
Big boy unboxing. It's not dead stock anymore though.
NSX collection.
Alright. Ooh. I've been hunting for the white NSXR separately, but a bunch of stores are sold out.
It might slide out. Or right here on the ends.
Alright, let's see. Okay, so it's individually packaged. I don't know if the door's open.
Plastic NSX. It's got a little wrap.
Red seats, doors
red
don't open.
guts.
I don't think so.
Oh, the top is really cool.
No engine? Can't see the engine in the back? Man,
No engine.
no engine.
The seats, though.
Seats are nice.
We got
Alright,
Casey's
now we're gonna
car right
open
here.
the yellow
Almost.
NC1.
Yeah.
2002.
Oh, it's
Different
right there.
headlights.
Yellow. Oh, the door's open? No.
No.
No, they
The
do
little
not.
vent,
I
like,
this.
it
This
shows
one's
the
clean,
engine
though.
though.
Like those headlights.
See the engine in the back?
NSX is my favorite.
This one's clean, though.
Yeah, nice.
Nah, the red one.
That's
The
Casey's
red
car.
one. Dang.
It's the Type S actually.
Oh, the Venta hood looks sick, but no engine. I guess from factory they covered the engine. So, okay, actually you can see the engine. You can see the engine a little bit.
Bring the other one
Oh,
in
the
here.
door's open?
Doors don't open. Wow.
Or I'll trade you the black one for the yellow.
It's been a long and hot day, but all in all I had fun getting back to the local car scene, driving my car to car meets with friends, hanging out. So hope you guys like it. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and catch you guys in the next one.